Every NVIDIA AI GPU begins with one of Earth's purest materials, silicon. This raw quartz will soon become the foundation of advanced semiconductor technology. Extreme heat transforms ordinary quartz into ultra-pure silicon. A single crystal forms the foundation of billions of future transistors. Each wafer must be almost perfectly flat before chip manufacturing begins. At the nanometer scale, even the smallest imperfection matters. Now, the real journey begins, where billions of transistors will be built onto a single silicon wafer. Inside the fab, every silicon wafer travels without ever being touched by human hands. Every wafer is digitally tracked through thousands of manufacturing steps. Now begins one of the most advanced manufacturing processes ever created. Positioning accuracy is measured in billionths of a meter. The invisible blueprint is now ready to be permanently carved into silicon.
Layer by layer, silicon is transformed into the world's most advanced AI processor.
Plasma permanently carves billions of microscopic transistor structures into the silicon. Each deposited layer measures only a few atoms thick. Ion implantation creates the electrical pathways that make transistors possible. Heat activates the implanted atoms and restores the silicon crystal structure. Artificial intelligence inspects billions of transistors in just seconds. Billions of copper connections allow every transistor to communicate at incredible speed. After hundreds of manufacturing steps, the world's most advanced AI chip begins to emerge. Extreme AI workloads reveal the true capability of every processor. Efficient cooling allows the GPU to maintain maximum performance. Sustained graphical workloads confirm long-term processing stability. Only hardware that survives continuous stress testing earns final approval. The graphics card has passed every engineering test and is now ready for customers around the world. Every graphics card is protected against dust, moisture, and static electricity.
Automation ensures every customer receives a perfectly packaged product.
Every graphics card can be traced from raw silicon to the final customer. The final products are now prepared for worldwide distribution. Advanced logistics keep the global supply chain moving every hour of every day. Before a chip can move forward, every circuit must prove it works. Every individual GPU on the wafer receives its own performance profile. Artificial intelligence can detect defects invisible to the naked eye. Accuracy is measured in billionths of a meter. Only the highest performing wafers continue to the next manufacturing stage. The single silicon wafer is now ready to become hundreds of individual AI processors. For the first time, an individual NVIDIA AI GPU is ready for advanced packaging. Each individual AI processor
is handled with microscopic precision.
The package substrate becomes the communication bridge between the GPU and the entire computer. Thousands of microscopic electrical connections are created in a single operation. Controlled heating permanently locks every microscopic connection into place.
Hidden connections are inspected before the chip moves forward.
A nearly invisible protective layer dramatically increases long-term reliability. Now the finished NVIDIA AI GPU must prove its performance before it can power the world's fastest AI systems.
Now the AI processor must prove it can perform under real operating conditions.
For the first time, billions of transistors begin working together.
Extreme computational workloads verify the processor's true performance.
Heat management is critical for every AI processor. Memory performance is just as important as raw computing power. Only processors that survive continuous stress testing move forward. The AI processor is certified and ready to become the heart of a complete NVIDIA graphics card. The graphics card begins with thousands of precision electronic components. Ultra-fast memory works together with the GPU to process enormous amounts of data. Controlled heat permanently secures every electronic connection. Now the AI processor becomes the heart of the graphics card. Hidden connections are inspected before final assembly continues. Advanced cooling allows the GPU to deliver maximum performance under heavy workloads. The graphics card is assembled. Now it must prove its real-world performance. The completed graphics card is now ready for its first full system validation. Every graphics card must complete its first successful startup before performance testing begins.
From this factory, AI technology begins its journey across the globe.
Every shipment carries technology that will power the next generation of artificial intelligence.
Every shipment is carefully prepared before beginning its journey around the world. From this point forward, every graphics card is ready for worldwide delivery.
A global logistics network connects advanced manufacturing with every major market. From one factory, advanced AI technology reaches customers across the globe.
And this is how one of the world's most advanced facilities manufactures AI processors that power the future of computing.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more real factory documentaries and discover how the world's most advanced technology is built.